Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to extract text on image on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on gallery app. After click on gallery app, click on picture and click on this T icon. After click on this T icon, so just click and hold on area, so you will see select area from here. After select area, click on copy and go back to home screen. Go to app library and click on notes app. After click on notes app and click on note, and you will see type from here. After paste, go back to home screen. So that's how you can extract text on image on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.